Welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing two Swiss Beauty products. Yes, I will be reviewing two of its products in terms of its packaging, its look in the vanity and its formulation and how long it lasts and everything else that you want to know about it. So without much ado, let's get started. Let's start with our first product of this video, and that is Swiss Beauty's eyebrow and gel liner 2-in-1. It lasts for 24 hours and it is smudge proof and waterproof. Let's start with dissecting this product further in terms of its factors or parameters. The first point is packaging. So as you guys can see, the packaging is really good. It has all the information needed, all the information given behind, plus the product picture on the package is exactly the same. The product is exactly the same as this picture. So there are no gimmicks, and plus there is a brush image also given because it is accompanied by a brush. So I think this is, and the color combination of the package like black and gold is anytime like a classic combination. So it gives a very retro kind of a feel, and it is, I think, very good packaging. So I think out of 10 for its packaging, it definitely deserves a 7 or a 8 for sure. Now let me show you the product. It's a slider package, so you just slide the cover and this is how it looks. There is one pot and a brush. Let's have a closer look like for both of them. Let me start with the pot. This is like a 2-in-1 pot because it has to give you eyebrow powder and plus the eyeliner gel, a pot for eyeliner gel. So let's see how it opens. This is the lid, and as you open the lid, one thing I want to tell you is, before like coming to the eyebrow powder, first see that it has like a mirror, a small mirror. Then let's come to the eyebrow powder. So this is like a matte finish and a packed eyebrow powder which can be used for making your eyebrows. And when you close this and open this, you are going to have like this eyeliner pot. It's a gel liner. So this is the gel eyeliner pot. And I think this pot in itself has so many things, and it's like the size is so small that it can easily like fit in your purse or in your traveling bag or in your vanity as well, and it will not occupy that much of a space. I really like the detailing that is done for this product. First of all, like 10 on 10 for giving mirror in such a small pot, because I have seen for many high brand products, they forget to give mirrors for such small kind of pots. There are no mirrors. So this is very thoughtful. And next thing because of which I like this product, the next detailing comes in its brush. One side they have given you an angled brush for your eyebrows, and the second side they have given you a little bit tapered kind of a brush for making your eyeliner, your gel liner. So I think they have paid a lot of attention to detailing, for which they score, I think, full marks. And also the pot is quite good and sturdy. The material is quite good, the color combination is good, packaging is good. So I think it can definitely be a good gift. If you are thinking to gift someone, then this can definitely impress them in many ways, and that too in a very budget friendly manner. So definitely consider this if you are like looking out for a good gift but in a budget. And now let's come to its formulation. So as you guys can see, I have already done my makeup, but I have left two things, that is eyebrow and eyeliner, because I wanted to show you guys how it is. So I'll be doing that in front of you and showing. So let's get started. First we'll start with our eyebrows. So I'll be using this tapered side, and I'll be taking some product and I'll start making my eyebrows. Let's start. This pot comes in black color. As you can see, the eyebrow powder is, it's like not jet black, it's a little grey shade, I feel. It's not jet black, because what I call jet black is this. So in comparison to this feels a little grey, and I feel that is good. Again, it comes in the plus point, because nobody wants a very jet black powder for the eyebrows, because it makes it look very artificial. So I think grey is like the perfect shade given. And as far as I know, we also get a brown pot. So even the eyebrow powder will be brown, and your eyeliner will also be brown, I guess. I have not like used that brown pot as of yet, but I can talk for this one because obviously I have used it. So as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see, let me just fill my eyebrows and then give you a closer look. And can you see this? I'm just using this mirror. I've not even taken any vanity mirror. So I am really liking this product. It's so hassle-free, so compact, occupies less space. Very good. Let me give you a closer look. I have filled my eyebrows and y'all can clearly see it has beautifully filled my eyebrows. Not very dark, not very light. The exact shade what I usually go for and I need to look very natural. So these eyebrows don't look fake, you know, like it's colored. It does not even show. It's that good. It is as good as natural. And regarding its like formula, I mean whether it's long lasting or no, it is, because see, I am just like touching it with my hands and it's not easily coming off. It's not like just coming off. So I definitely feel that it is going to be that long lasting. I am not sure whether it is going to last for 24 hours what it claims on the package, because clearly I have not tried wearing it for 24 hours, but I feel definitely it will stay in place till the time you want, at least for 6-7 hours minimum, because it's good. I can feel the quality is quite good. Let's view the second part of this, and that is the eyeliner. So I'll be doing my eyeliner and showing y'all how dark or light or apt it is. So let's start with the eyeliner. And for my eyeliner, I'll be using this side of the brush, which is tapered side, and I'll be using the same mirror. So I'll just take some product and let's start. Oh wow, can you see guys? I just like made a feather like light stroke and it is just there in place. Let me just finish making this. I'm just trying to make a wing liner. I mean, it's difficult making a wing liner because it requires a lot of attention, and I am just like on the video. So please excuse my wing liner, however it is. You guys can just see, and it is so smooth. It's just gliding. I mean, it's perfect as the gel liner. It's just gliding. I don't even have to like make harsh strokes on my eyelid and tug and pull. It's just gliding its own way, and the bristles of this brush are very soft on your skin. and the gel is like super smooth, creamy. Very, very good. I'm really impressed. I'm not just saying it for the sake of this video, but definitely this is going to stay in my vanity for a very long time, I feel, because I don't think for now whenever I'm traveling I would like to carry a separate eyebrow powder and a separate liner. I'm not going to do that because now I have this convenience, I have this pot, and I'm going to just make use of this. It's such a good product. I think I just ruined this, I feel. Let me see if I can correct it properly. Definitely I have just gone over my boundary and now I think a very thick liner would be made, but that's okay. I like a little bit of thick liner on my eyelids when I have wing liners because it's okay. But the only point is that maybe over here or also I'll have to make it a little bit thicker. Not bad, I think. I just need to fill in a little over here. One mistake is for this mirror, this side is going to be open, so as I was going to do by mistake, just don't pick up the eyebrow powder and start doing, because you clearly forget when you're doing this and you're like just taking the product which is in there. Don't do that. Keep a little presence of mind, but while doing wing liners or your liners, any which ways you need some presence of mind, a lot of presence of mind. So currently I am lacking that because I'm also on the video talking to you guys. But you guys can take your time, make it look good, and have your look sorted out. I will just use the camera mirror and show you all. And the best part is you can shape it as well with this because it has a brush. If you feel few parts are not going correct, you can just, give it a nice shape through this brush itself. That's the advantage of doing it with a brush or having a brush. Usually when you use a pencil or a liquid liner, at that time you just cannot brush it, or you cannot shape it using a brush. And I like to give a little bit of shape of my eye while doing it. So I think, guys, if I have to give you a review for this product, then I would give a fair 8 or 9 out of 10 for this product, only because it did not disappoint me in any way. I mean, I'm happy with its packaging, I'm happy with its formulation, I'm happy with its price, I'm just happy with the way this product is designed with so much of detail and thought process. So I think I really like Swiss Beauty company. It always gives good products, you know, within a particular range. So I am all up for it, and this is going to sit in my vanity. It's going to come in my empties. I'm just going to empty the pot for sure. I'm going to use it for that long. So yes, this will be like a fair 8 to 9 out of 10 if I have to review this eyebrow and gel liner 2-in-1 Swiss Beauty product. Now let's move on to our second product of the video. It is again from Swiss Beauty, and that is this All About Lips. Yes, this is All About Lips lipstick palette. Now I have used many products from Swiss Beauty, but I had never tried, I mean, I've tried their individual lipsticks, their bullet lipsticks, but I had never tried their palette. So I was like, let's see what it is. And yeah, first let's start with its packaging. Again, I think all Swiss Beauty products are packed in a very royal, or what I would say, in a very classy black color boxes. And you guys know that black is my favorite color, and so maybe I'm biased, but no, I think in vanity, as I had mentioned in one of my videos, black is always one of the safe colors to go because it really looks good in anybody's vanity. So I think Swiss Beauty has played it really smart, and it has picked up the black color, and that is why I think nobody can cut their points in terms of packaging. Now let's see what's the inside palette is about. It's all about lips. As you guys can see, again the palette is fully black colored, and because it's black color, other colors of the lipstick, the other shades which you can see over here, they really pop out nicely because the black color acts as a background to this palette, and that is why these colors look so royal, so rich. Also, the palette material is quite glossy, nice, and I cannot cut any marks in terms of packaging. And the brand name and everything is written quite in a good font and nicely, so I like observing all these details. Coming to a closer look for this palette, as you guys can see, it has 5 on top and 5 at the bottom. Total 10 colors in this palette you will get for the lipstick, and all these colors are quite new. You might hardly find an individual bullet lipstick or liquid lipstick in these shades, I feel. Plus they are like creamy textured, so they're so good. And I just observed that I'm talking just beneath this title. My lips are just beneath this title, All About Lips. So apt. So let's talk about its formulation. Now I had left my eyebrows and my eyeliner on purpose for this video so that I can do it in front of you guys and show it to y'all. But obviously I have already applied the lipstick, so I'm not sure I can show you guys by applying it on my own lips, but I can definitely do a swatch on my hand and I can show it to y'all, and I can then give a rating on its formulation as well at the end. So let me just take swatches of these. Very creamy, first of all, very creamy texture. I'm not going to go very all about, I'm not going to apply much pressure because it's all new, and I definitely don't want to ruin the composition of it. It's sitting so nicely. But as you guys can see, this is the color. It's creamy textured and the color is very good. It pops out really quickly, and it does not smudge that easily, although it's a creamy lipstick, a matte creamy lipstick, but it does not smudge that easily. I'm just like putting my hand across and it's not coming off. Let me try one of the other shades and show you all. Obviously I cannot show you all the shades. I don't want to ruin my entire palette. I mean, once I start using it on my lips, that will be okay, but I just don't want to run my fingers all across the palette and just spoil the look of this palette. This is another shade. This was like, I think, nude kind of a shade, and this is like a purple shade. I think it's really good. So I don't think I have any complaints regarding the formulation also. It's very smooth, silky, and I think long lasting as well, because I just showed you all. I'm just like running my hand across the swatch and it's not smudging it that easily. So it's going to be long lasting as well, is what I feel. So a very good palette in this range. As you guys can clearly see, I've used this and this, and I happen to touch this as well a bit, and this as well, because so clearly I have just like ruined the look of 4 shades here, but nonetheless this is what this is my palette and I'm going to use it, so it's okay. But the final verdict, if I have to give the final review for this product, then I would say out of 10 I would give it a fair 8, because packaging is really good and I really like the packaging of this lip shades as well in the palette. I mean, very few companies come out with, you know, palettes. They always come out with liquid lipsticks and with individual bullet ones, but palettes are like really less. And although if the companies which give out palettes, their colors are like okay, half of the shades are not useful, but it's not the case with this palette, Swiss Beauty palette. All the shades are very good and very day-to-day kind of a usage kind of, you know, shades which are given. So I don't think any color would just sit and you will not use it. So a very good palette. And I think it comes, this palette also comes in many other shades also. So you all can check out even that as well. So yes, 8 on 10. So these were my 2 products which I reviewed. Both were Swiss Beauty products, and I'm just happy with both of them. It's definitely a must buy, both of them, and it will not disappoint you, I promise. And now, before ending the video, the last thing which is a surprise for all my viewers is both these Swiss Beauty products are available in my D-Store. Yes, you have heard it right. Both these products are now available in my D-Store. For all those who do not know what is D-Store, D-Store is my Instagram lifestyle store which I run, and it has all the lifestyle products at a very pocket-friendly manner, in a very pocket-friendly or budget-friendly price you will get these products. So the brownie point over here is that Swiss Beauty products are, as it is, not, you know, highly priced, and now since they are in D-Store, you're going to get it like for even a lesser price than that. So just imagine at what price are you going to get it. So without, you know, delaying it, just ping to me if you guys want to purchase these products. Then ping me on my store Instagram handle, which is dstore9010, or you guys can also ping me on my personal profile on my Instagram, which is ds90official, if you guys want to go ahead with its purchase. This will, in D-Store, you will definitely get it at a lower price than the market price, of course, you know that. So quickly go and follow both my handles, Instagram handles, and also my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you guys have not subscribed it yet, because I am going to, like, you know, release these kind of products in my videos in my channel, and if you don't subscribe it, there are chances that you might end up paying more price for the same product outside and miss my deals from my D-Store. So don't do that. Just follow all my Instagram handles, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, press the bell icon so you get a notification whenever I upload a new video, and then you are sorted for life. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I hope this review was useful to you guys if you were looking out to purchase a eyeliner, a gel liner, or an eyebrow palette, or a lipstick palette. So I hope this will be informative for you guys, and it will be useful for you, and it will give you some information, and it will throw some light on from where you should buy it. So go ahead and purchase it, and keep watching my videos over here, and please share my videos if you like the content that I create, because then I'll get a lot of encouragement and I'll make a lot of content in return for you guys. So it's a very good deal. So till the time I'm back again with another video on my channel, you guys hang on and stay safe. Bye bye.